Hi Mimi, hello, hello, hello. Today I'm doing a pour on a 16 by 20 inch artist loft canvas. For my base, I have it down already here. I'm using the Color Place house paint. This is Winter Mauve. I have it mixed with Floetrol, a little bit of Liquitex gloss pouring medium, and then GAG 800. And then no water I don't have in here. So I'm just gonna do something a little fun because I normally I always use white for my shimmer, but which I know I've seen other people use different colors, so I know it'll be fine. But I'm gonna use Amsterdam's acrylic, or Amsterdam's, let's see, what is this, oxide black. That's what I'm going to use for my smear color. I'm using Dioxazine Violet Hue. And then I'm going to use, what did I do with it? I'm going to use, oh, it's right here. Arteza Bordeaux Red. And then some 24 karat gold by Decoart. Just those three colors is what I'm going to use. Kind of keep it pretty simple. Just to kind of see how it does. I really love this Bordeaux red. And this mauve color I did on another painting, and it's just beautiful. Such a pretty color. Not too on your face type of a color, but definitely something that gives a little bit of color to it. I see a hair here. All right. So I think I'm gonna start with the purple. So pretty. Look at all them cells. Ah, beautiful. All right, I'm just gonna start tilting it around. I don't necessarily have to keep this. I don't like that corner down there, so I'm definitely gonna get rid of that. I do want to thank everybody for watching. I hope you enjoy the video and you will like and subscribe and share. Helps my channel out tremendously when you do that. I am almost to 600. I'm so excited about that. So if you can help me get there, I'm so excited. It doesn't take much to get me excited, but like doing my YouTube videos, I just enjoy doing it so much that, so whenever I get more subscribers and I know that people are enjoying my videos, it just makes me feel so good. wish you guys could tell me what you think. It's always fun to work with new people, and that's one thing I love about YouTube. Like, I have met some of the most amazing ladies and gentlemen. I haven't done any collabs with any other men except for one. But there's some really amazing men artists out there. But the you know, I just have met people from all over the world. Amazing people. Some of the nicest, friendliest ladies you'll ever meet. And I have really gotten some... there's a few that I really consider to be really, really good friends of mine. And which is amazing because I never, honestly, I know this is sad to say, but I never thought I would ever, like this point in my life, really be making a lot more newer friends. Only because I work from home. So I don't work in the office, so I don't really work with people face to face. I do some training and stuff with my job, so I do meet people that way, but not necessarily people that you could like become besties with, if you want to say. Oh, I see a hair. But I can definitely say that I've met some amazing people, and a few of them I do consider to be really good friends. But anyway, so hopefully you'll come and check out that. It's gonna be fun. I'm just trying to get a glimpse at it. I don't want to have the gold. Okay, but I'm gonna bring you down for a close-up. I did add a little bit more of the base color through here and a little bit through here. I just felt like that whole one end was filled up, and sorry about my phone cutout too. So I got pretty much the whole video done except for me rambling on about nothing. But and we'll take a closer look here, but just look at how pretty those colors are together. Sorry about the glare from my light up above, the ceiling light there. And look at all that shimmer. You know I love me some shimmer. Ooh, that's so pretty right there. That Bordeaux red is fabulous. Look at that. You see that gold in there? That's so cool. How those cells, you can't really see much of the black. So I'm kind of bummed on that, but I really like it how it turned out. You'll have to tell me what you guys think. I do thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you'll enjoy the video and like and subscribe and share. If you're new, thanks for joining me. Hopefully you will like and hit that notification bell and be notified when I put up my next video. I usually do them on Sundays and Wednesdays, and then some random days here and there with if I do different collabs on a different day. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you guys so much. I'm almost to 600. So hopefully get there soon. I'm so excited. But I do thank everybody for watching. Hopefully you guys are all being healthy and safe. Miss Pink is down here guarding me. Yeah. I do appreciate you guys so much. I hope everybody is doing well. COVID here in Nebraska is getting really, really bad. I'm getting nervous. I'm supposed to go on vacation on the 16th, and I am getting really nervous that my flight's going to be canceled again like it did last year, like 3 times last year. But thanks everybody for watching. Have a good day. Have a good evening. Keep being creative. Bye.